Arty keg, alright?
It's Marathon Monday here in the city, so we should be able to get a nice peek. We're going to the Government Center site. There was a parking garage here in Government Center that they basically taken half of it down to build some apartments, if you will. And you can almost see into it from the garage. I'm curious how much of it you can see. So I'm going to walk over there now. I'm going to poke our heads in there, see if we can see anything in there. And we'll go from there. Stick around. Up there. Let's check that out. Let's see how close we can get to that. So this building right here, this is what we're going to check out. This was part of that parking garage to the right of it. It went all the way over to the side. They had chipped away enough of it to build this building. I think you can see it from inside the garage. I'm not sure. Go check it out, see what happens. So this entrance right here is the new entrance to the parking garage. That used to be a service entrance. There used to be another entrance on the other side. There's like a roundabout. This is the new facade they're putting on the building. Let's see. Concrete construction, as you can see. Not very typical in the city, but what you're doing. You can see how it's meeting up with the existing building over there. It's hard to tell. You can see it right there. Like right there. They're building pretty fast. I mean, they're already closing in units and windows and stuff, so as they're going up. Doing like a floor or two. A couple weeks, so I'll see if we can see a pedestrian walkway to the garage. So let's see if we can go and find an elevator up of some sort or a stairway. We can get up close over there. Let's see. Alright, so the good thing is we're in this elevator lobby, if you will. There's no one here. This place is entirely automated, so and it's technically a holiday in the city, so people won't be here. Let's see. Let's go up to. Go take the 5th floor. Alright, 5th floor. Alright, so the construction is it's like right there. So let's see. I feel like it's kind of blocked off. Alright. Just what I thought. We can kind of see a little bit into it. Let's see how close we can get into it. So I think we need to go higher. I think we gotta go a little bit higher. Because I can see some of the plastic right there. Definitely looks like a construction site there. We can get into something. I think we need to go. Let's try to go into like the top floor and see what we can do. Oh, probably the top floor. Actually, don't use anymore. Yeah, see over there. It's by the construction site right there. So there's a rental car company on this side. I want to see if I can get around there. I don't want to go into the rental car. I can tell they're definitely demoing this area. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be over here. There's some caution tape over here, but like I said, it's the holiday, so there's no one working. It's kind of weird because let's see if we can see it. There used to be a place where the cars go down, and it's right here. I think we're gonna look down on it off the ramp. Yeah, right here. So that is how the cars used to come down from the garage. That was like the public downwards. They're taking that down. They're just using another one now. It was 2 ways in, 2 ways out. So I'm thinking you used to be able to get onto this ramp from over here. That's all blocked off now, I guess you could say. Maybe here? I'm thinking this one right here? I think it's this right here, because there's no bar there. Unless the bar is taken off, I'm not sure actually. Maybe this floor doesn't have access to it, but that's the extent of it right there. Wow. So we're working in construction. I'm used to like construction sites and everything like that. So this isn't very abnormal to me. To me, it doesn't seem like it's that much of a threat for me to be here since it's a piece of tape up. But, you know, you never know. I don't want to go up in the top floor because there's a rental car company up there. I don't want to draw attention to myself. These right here bring some concern to me. These are jacks, support jacks. That means they don't think this structure is stable, I guess. But, alright, hold on. Alright, this is the inside of the apartment. So this is where those jacks were I was telling you about right there. And this is inside of the new construction. So this is going to be part of the apartment. It's part of the layout. It's going to be here. Maybe a hallway, maybe a common area. The structure itself is pretty much just a new column right here. You can tell. So I think everything at this point on is new. You can kind of actually tell. They blasted all up, and this is new, so it's going to be a new expansion joint right there. But to say exactly what it's going to be, it really hasn't defined itself yet, so I really don't know. So I'm not really technically trespassing now. I didn't see any signs that say do not enter. I didn't see anything that says no trespassing. This is part of the existing parking garage we're in right now that it's no longer being used. You can kind of see in to the new construction over there. This floor is a little more defined over here. There's no one here that's hanging HVAC. Concrete slab. 10 inches thick. It's standard. And we're walking down the ramp here, going towards the 8th floor. So, I mean, there's nothing really to this thing yet. I mean, let's see if I can get into a stairwell, maybe we'll take me higher. But really right now, it's really a shell of a building. It's really nothing. They chipped away the old parking garage to build this, so you can actually tell right here. This is where the parking garage, the old parking garage over there, right there, and the new structure actually meets up right there. So, let's see the expansion joint. Yeah, there's no expansion joint yet, it's just a hole, so. In the construction site, there's just caution cones, there's nothing. Just doesn't say do not enter, no trespassing, nothing. So, if I don't see stuff like that, I typically think it's okay for me to kind of pop my nose around and check it out. And there's the other side right there. Like right there, it says danger, it's personnel only. There's a lock on the door. So, I mean, yeah, we're not getting in there if we wanted to, so it is what it is. Let's see if we can see anything from around the side of the building. But, yeah, I mean, we got the supports, which is supporting the new concrete pour. There's the construction going down there, and that is about where we came in right there. So, I gotta say, there's nothing really crazy going on right now. But we will try to keep an eye on the structure. It's going to be pretty good. And like I said, I'm not here to try to cause trouble. Curious. I like construction. It's my thing. So when I go into sites like this, if I can get into it without it being any particular problem, with no, an enter or anything like that, I will. But, it is what it is. I did see this before I left. It looks like someone tried to get in here before. Let me see what I can do. Alright. I'm not sure how far I can get into. But, through the plastic. Doesn't look like there's much. That's locked over there, so. Yeah, that's a brick wall, so. Even if I were to go into there, there's nothing. It's blocked off. It's not very well done, so. Best spot about up here is just the view of the city, so. I'll take some pictures, we'll check this out, but we'll stay tuned. If you like these adventures, you like me exploring, me and Suzi J, feel free to like us on YouTube or Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, and all that stuff. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube too. I appreciate that. And yeah, keep on trucking, and we'll see you guys soon. So have a good day. Bye. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.